This is a 2005 Kia Sedona. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an independent rear suspension, a rear spoiler, a passenger side airbag, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 64,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.